In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for unbolting your sway bar link from the sway bar. This here is your sway bar, and this here is the link from the top of the strut down to the sway bar itself. What we have to do is take and work on the nut behind it. I'm going to use a universal style wrench and my 1/4 inch drive socket wrench with an 8mm. I'm just going to take and work it back and forth like so, unscrewing the bolt. As you can see, this sway bar link is plastic, and you're going to want to be real careful with these guys. They're about 20 bucks a shot, so if you can avoid damaging them, it's best to. Go ahead and undo it the rest of the way by hand, and slide the sway bar link out from the sway bar, just like so, right there. I'm going to go ahead and place our retaining nut in the magnetic tray for later reinstallation. That is the proper service procedure for unbolting your sway bar link from the sway bar.